Hello, dear friends. This is Rujal Ahmed Arif from Bangladesh. And now I'm going to make a video for my channel called Learn English Lightly. If you subscribe my channel, you will be benefited on the two way. First, every day I will make a real effort to share group verb phrase and idioms accompanied some important and crucial book of words, which is very important for us to improve our spoken English. And second thing is that I have a WhatsApp group. So if you wanna, you can join with my WhatsApp group. And you know that for each of group, I already selected 20 topics. So which topics we will discuss before I will inform. And for each of group, um, I will add no more than 5 or 6 members so that you can get more time to practice and deliver your speech properly. So hope that if you stay with me and subscribe my channel, you will be benefited. And so how you can join and contact with me, send me your WhatsApp number in comment box below. I will add you, and definitely you can contact with me. And so thank you everyone, and don't forget to share with your friends about my channel and subscribe. Thank you.